Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to edit on Clipchamp as a beginner. So we are going to give you a step-by-step guideline throughout the video. Just watch till the end and you will understand all about Clipchamp. So let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you can see we already on clipchamp.com. It is a platform where we can edit our video and make our content more engaging by creating our video. So here it is totally free and we can edit and we can post our video through this Clipchamp. So we need to be create an account here. So just click over in sign in button, or you can click over here try for free. Just click once what you want. So in here they will give you option. You can install in Google Chrome or you can install in Microsoft Edge. So I will click over here install Microsoft Edge. Now you can see they are giving some process here. So I will go on the dashboard by clicking over here. So you can see that is our dashboard. It will be the dashboard similarly like yours. So you can upgrade it if you want to purchase premium plan of them. So just click over here upgrade option. Once you click over here you can find out their upgraded version price. So in free version you can see that there is a various option, like you can do everything in the free plan. Like we click over here and now you can see that our free plan will be provided like easy video editing, trim, position, enhance and more. Then auto composition powered by Microsoft AI. Then we have also free filter and effect. Also furthermore like basic stock media, text to speech, auto caption, speaker coach, up to 1080p HD export. So you don't need to pay anything as a beginner to learn about editing. So you can do whatever you want by using this free platform. So I already create an account, and the procedure to create an account is really simple. You need a Gmail account or you have any mail account, you can do it. It is a 5-minute process, so you can do it easily even you have no idea about online exploration. Okay, now we will dive into the video editing. So first of all I will give a title here that will be how to use Clipchamp video editor. So now we can import. The first option is here is media. So we can import a media from that place, and they will support it OneDrive video, Google Drive video and so on. Like I will import a video from my computer, that's why I will click over here. Once I click over here then I will get the option to add or associated a video with my Clipchamp editor section. Just click over here and click open. Now you can see our video has been uploaded in Clipchamp editor option. So now drag and drop it in the panel editor panel. Now you can see the interface has been totally changed and it is totally simple. So anyone who have not any idea about editing, he can do it by reading this info or by watching this video. So now you can see we already get this option for split. So you can see that we have a split option. If we click over here, the video has been divided to each one. So now we have furthermore option we need to be explored for this one. So we will go second option, that is record and create. So if you want to record your screen, then you can choose this one. This one you can have the option, so you can explore it furthermore. So now I am making video, so I will don't explore this one. I will just cross. Then you have option for camera, like you have using a laptop and it has a fronted camera and you want to record your video with the laptop, then you can choose this one. This might okay for you. Then second one, you can record your screen individually. Then you have audio recording option, like you just making a voiceover video and you need a voice, then you can do it with this Clipchamp video editor. And the next level option is text to speech option, right? Like you are telling something like I want a boy, like it will make a video on this speech, regarding this speech. So it's make your life so much smooth and easy. As an editor you can do your work within hour, like when you are taking 3 or 4 hours to making a video more engaging and more excited, then if you are using Clipchamp right now, then you can edit your video within an hour, within 30 minutes. It's really make your process so much easy. Then third option is content library. So here you will find out various options like which is necessary for a video to make the video more engaging. Like we can see the Clipchamp sheet, like the subscribe striker, then all content. If you want to add a music to your video, then you can choose from this collection area, and all are free, totally free. So you can drag and drop all these effect or elements from that option. Just I will drag option, and here I will drop this music. Now you can hear the sample. Let's play the video. So you can see that our music has been added to your editor plane. Then second, we will explore furthermore in content library. Like I am using a shape here, so I will drag and drop. I will here submit the option. Now you can see that our shape has been added. Also we can change the color, you can make it black. If you want to remove it, just click over here and click on third dot, and here the more option, just click over here. You can do whatever you want, or if you just drag here and hover it, you will have the option to delete. You can do duplicate, you can copy it, you can paste it, you can split it, like whatever you want. Then if you hover one and click here and click on the right mouse button, then you will have this option. Just explore furthermore, you will understand lots of things. Then you can see we can reduce our volume here, we can increase our volume here. Second, we have these stickers too, we have animations, annotations, backgrounds, images, and so more. It's totally a package for a beginners. Then we have templates here. You can see the templates here, it's really amazing. So you can see they already give us some ready-made template we can use in our video to make our video more excited. So add to timeline and add template. Now you can see that our template has been added, so you can view it. Like it will take a while to importing the template. Now you can see that our let me mute the audio, then we can go further. Just I will delete it, and now you can see that our template has been added to our profile. Now you can see it look really nice. So whenever you need to add a template or image, you can do it with this one. Next option is our text option. So here you are wanting to add a text, like you mention some place name and you want to see it, just come over here and you will add a text that your address will be this. So it's totally easy. I hope you understand throughout the video what I am telling you. So you can change the color by in the right corner, you can see the option editing panel. So here you will find out, just click over and you can see we do what our change our address, text and thing. And also we have further option like advanced. Here you can see our line height option, a letter spacing option, you can do outline option, you can do shadows. So I hope you understand how much easy the process is. Now you have two videos, and I mean two clips, and you want to add a transaction. Like I am making a divided in this option, and then I will add a transition. It's really excited for me, like I am going to use transition between two videos. So let's drag and drop and add the transition. Now you can see you will visualize
impact and
this
rewards
option
in your job.
Just see.
Every 6
Now
months,
check, our transition has been applied. Now you can increase the duration, you can decrease the duration also. So I just increase the duration. Now click
applied
over
skills,
here again.
impact, and rewards in your job. Every 6
So this is really great. I think it is really easy platform to edit your video. Then if you want to change furthermore, or if you want to explore furthermore, then I would suggest to go on the right corner and you will find out fade in, fade out option. Then you have filter option. If you want to add any image effect like video effect, I mean, then you can do it. Like copy here and click over here. They will give various options for you. Also they have option for like effect. So if you click over here effect, you can see their effects is here. just I want a slow zoom random, I will click those and then I will
We're
click over
changing our career
here. So you
path.
can see our zoom speed, we can recognize it as we want. If you click over here, we will have further more options. So whatever you want is totally up to you. And then adjust color, you can change your color here. You can see that we are able to change our color. So you have all the control to do whatever you want. It allows you. So even if you are not known about video editor editing or other kind of stuff, you are allowed to do whatever you want. Just create an account in clipchamp.com and then start editing. You also have transparency options, so it's really amazing. And if you want to do speed up your video, then you can do here. Like they make this interface really easy for understand. So who don't know anything about video editing, he can also edit his video. If anyone liking to do content creation but he does not have any information like how he will make or manage his video, then he can go with Clipchamp. That much easy is this platform. I will give a suggestion, that will be just create an account and 1 or 2 days start editing. Just add to clip and do whatever you want, apply all the effect, all the transaction, all the text. And even though if you have no option to do editing, just randomly choose a video and start editing, and you will learn lots of things in throughout the process. I hope this video will give you so much value, and if you watch till the end, then already you understand basic knowledge and intermediate knowledge in this video. I hope this video will help you, and if it will come dream true for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, I will catch you in the next video.